We'll guide you through how to use the Trello project management template. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Trello.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your Trello homepage, click on the Templates button located at the top of the screen. This will take you to the Trello Templates gallery, where you can find a wide array of templates for different use cases. Use the search bar at the top if you're looking for a specific type of project management template. You can type in Project Management and hit Enter. Browse through the available templates and select one that suits your needs by clicking on it. Once you've selected a template, you'll see a preview of what the board looks like. To use it, click the Use Template button, usually found towards the top right of the template preview page. This will create a copy of the board in your personal Trello workspace. You'll want to customize it to fit your project's needs. Rename the board by clicking on the board's title. You can then start adding your tasks by creating new cards. Click on Add a card in any list to create tasks. Fill in the task details, set deadlines, and assign members if you're collaborating with a team. You can also drag and drop cards to different lists to track progress. Remember to use labels and due dates for better organization. Using checklists within cards is also a great way to break down tasks into smaller, manageable steps. Explore the Power-Ups feature to enhance functionality, but keep in mind that some Power-Ups may require a subscription. That's it. Now you have a customized Trello board to manage your project efficiently. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.